seeing a lot of bullish action here. We're gonna go to first. Let's confirm. Yesterday it was Bank of America. That was awesome. Delia, who requested it, or Delias, who requested it, made 65% on our little option that we gave in the pre-market. So pay attention, everyone. We got some great trades coming at you right now. Jeff in Texas is looking at ELF. I have been bullish ELF for a very long time. I know that Sybil can agree with that. This one it's recession proof. The chart is really strong. Had a beautiful power earnings gap or gap and go recently with earnings, looking at 77.13 as its upside target in ELF. Let's get to LP, Investment Journeyman. It's a nice name. CMRE, this chart is looking very strong as well. Journeyman, I'd like you to wait though, because we need to close in the green. It's one of those stocks where I wouldn't want to front run it because the chart is looking very healthy. We're looking like a nice little journeyman to the 200-day moving average. Nice bull flag out of the volume profile, but we need to close above the volume profile. We are down pre-market. So I would look into get into this trade a little later into the trading day. Make sure that it's in a green above 1028. And I don't know, Mark, should we bring up the bombshell yesterday? I mean, there's so many of them. It's like a broken record. You know what? We're going to bring it up. Guys, we had a fantastic bombshell bull yesterday and trade the close. Let me tell you, Mark, we're like the Harlem Globetrotters. We never lose. Maybe once. There was that one.
Yeah, we lost to the Gary Sparks at one point.
Yeah. But we made it back up easily. I will take an L with all of the wins that we have. I'll take an L. I really don't mind because yesterday, what a fascinating
the only part I'm kicking myself is that I didn't play the reversal when I almost jumped in on those 41.65s. I should have.
Oh, that would have been
That's
awesome.
the only thing I'm kicking myself on. But yeah, we bought some 41.70 calls, I want to say, in SPX for 75 cents. Sold them at $1.50, $2.25, and $3. It was really, really nice. Played right into our hand, and we moved on. It was pretty darn nice.
It was great. No expiration. Traders were happy, and the closers are happy. Especially learning to play with this. SPX trades are awesome, Mark. Awesome. Yeah. All right, Mark. We did.
You're gonna be hooked by the time I'm done here, Vaz.
Oh heck yeah, definitely. I mean, we're hooked. We're hooked. We drank the ES Gatorade, but Mark, we also looked at some other stocks. CMRE. Yeah. Do you see any big money flow in CMRE? This one looks really interesting.
I have not seen anything in CMRE or ELF.
How about ELF?
Markets are super wide. I don't know what. Do you wear ELF Beauty? What is ELF Beauty? Do you wear? Is that makeup, I assume?
It's makeup, yeah. It's like really cheap cosmetics. And yeah, I'll partake in some ELF. Very cheap.
Oh, really? So it's like
eyeliner's like $1.
Oh wow. Okay, so they're at like a Claire's instead of at a. Instead of at like an Ulta or a Sephora.
Yeah.
Okay, gotcha.
Hey, Mark, how about this? Any big money flow in BA? That one's looking really strong too.
In Boeing?
Yeah, Boeing. That's big Jimbo.
Let's take a look. It has been really strong. Back about $200. Nothing massive. We did. You know what? This is a shot, but it was a cheap shot. Somebody bought the March 250 calls for 60 cents.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. They weren't messing. They're looking for
I'm looking at 230 as an upside. I mean, it could have gone to 250, sure, but yeah. For 60 cents?
Huh. Yeah, right. Relatively inexpensive. You don't need it to go to 250 to make a lot of money on those.
Right.
Right. You make a quick run to 230, those go to $2.
Wow. All right. So the March 250 calls yesterday, a buyer got them at 60 cents. Look for a little bit of a pullback today because we've been consolidating. You're going to have a nice little, a mini down day. As long as we're sticking above 204.99, I'm very happy with this trade. So big trader got the March 250 calls for 60 cents. Awesome, Mark. Yeah. Mark, did you see any other big money flow that caught your attention?
I did indeed. And this was in This was in. I remember. One second here.
Hold on, I will help you, Mark.
Thank you. Please do.
Ooh, CCL.
Oh, yeah. Oh, no. This was from yesterday. We talked about this one already.
Oh,
I
It's
thought
the
you
wrong
just
graphic.
what about this one?
Amin, do we need to play
There
the
it
layoff
is.
graphic?
Thank you.
Do we need to play the
I
layoff
know.
graphic?
He's pissed he got fired. This was in ConocoPhillips. I think you and I talked about this one. Was it you and I talking about Conoco yesterday? Somebody was. We got a trader sell 12,731 of the 90 puts at $1.73 to buy the 120, 140 call spread. And net they paid like $1.55, looking for the stock to move higher. This is a pretty aggressive play. We've seen several of these in energy companies. They're looking for a potential bull move in COP.
All right, so COP, that's energy. Looking for some energy, some more energy flow here in the sector. COP, Mark, I think we did talk about COP. We did because it's right there at the point of control. I want to see this one over 114, and I'd be at 114.50, and I'd be a buyer.
They're looking for this thing to go higher. That's a pretty aggressive trade. That was a ton of deltas in one trade.
Woo!
So they are.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Mark Biscuits and Gravy just said, trade the close of Mark and Voss is brilliant and constantly accurate. This pairing is a money maker. I'll take that moniker. Yeah. Are we the money making team? We're in the right place.
Money pair. I like that.
The money pair.